What's going on, guys? Josh Pocock here. Now on this channel, we've been covering how to build different AI agents. And a lot of you guys already know, I personally love building AI agents in a tool called n8n. And I've done many different videos on n8n and showing you guys how to build practical AI agents with no code at all, which I would suggest to check some of them out. I'll leave a link in the description down below to a few of these, like my in-depth n8n course. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build a Telegram RAG orchestration agent. Now, this agent will automatically capture a Telegram message, whether that's via text or via voice, and transcribe it. It has access to tools like a vector store database within Pinecone, calculator, Wikipedia. It has window buffer memory with a whole entire section on inserting data into the Pinecone vector store via Google Drive. And it will have access to other subordinate agents like the email agent, which can get all emails, send emails, as well as the calendar agent, which can create different events, as well as get different events for you. Now, the beauty about this entire agent setup is you can plug it into any LLM of your choice, such as OpenAI, Anthropic, and you'll even be able to expand upon this, add your own subordinate agents for different tasks you may want, and the possibilities are really endless. This is a foundational agent setup that you're definitely going to want a part of your AI agent stack. Now get ready, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add this new team member to your AI agent army. And not only am I going to show you exactly how this AI agent is set up, show you what exact prompts it's using, and exactly how to build it yourself, you will also be able to get free access to this JSON template. So you can simply just copy and paste it over into your n8n flow and get this AI agent working for you right away, 100% for free. Many YouTubers may charge you for different templates like this, so let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right into it. All right, guys, so before I actually dive into the nitty gritty on how this AI agent is actually built out, I want to walk through some of the basics of what you're going to need. Now, keep in mind, guys, this agent is very modular. So once you actually get this set up, you can add, replace different things with different tools. So for example, right now we're using Pinecone. So this is going to be your vector database. If you don't have Pinecone, just go sign up for the free plan. I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time in this video setting up the vector database and going over all that stuff. Just make sure you create an index if you don't have one already, and then grab your API key so you can make that Pinecone connection in n8n. Okay, also too, we're going to be using Telegram. Now you could use something like Slack. I'm using Telegram because it's the easiest connection to make for a chat that I found, and I just like Telegram. Now you'll notice here with the Telegram chat, we're not going straight to the AI agent. Reason being is because sometimes we may send text messages via Telegram, but also we may want to send voice notes. Okay, if we send voice notes, we have a switch node right here. So for voice, it's going to go up here, get the file, download the file to transcribe it with OpenAI's Whisper, and then pass along that transcript into the AI agent. So you can see here we have the Telegram trigger for our Telegram bot. Now, if you don't know how to set up a Telegram bot, simply click on add a new connection and then click on this right here to open up the docs. Now you'll see here you want to simply download Telegram and then start a chat with the BotFather. So if you click on this link right here, it's going to take you to the BotFather where you can open up Telegram here. Once you do that, you're going to message BotFather /new bot. He's going to ask you a couple questions like your bot name and username. And then after that, he's going to give you a bot token, and you're simply going to paste that into the access token area right here and then connect to Telegram. All right, next you can see we have a switch node right here. So we're just checking to see if a voice file ID exists. If it does, then we're going to go down the voice path. But if a text message exists, then we're going to go down the text message path. If the voice node exists, we're simply just going to get the file right here with the file ID. Then we're going to use OpenAI's Whisper right here to transcribe the audio right here, which is the input from the data. Okay, if it's a message, we're going to just use a set node right here to set it as text. And this is just the text from Telegram. And then we're passing that information over to our AI agent. Now guys, as I'm going through this AI agent, I want you to know if you want to download the full entire JSON workflow of all the different agents and sub agents that I'm showing you in today's video, then join our Stride AI Academy, because I'm posting the free JSON in the community. So make sure to check the description for the Stride AI Academy. It's our exclusive community. It is free right now, and you can get behind the scenes resources, templates, trainings, and tools, courses that we're putting in this community. This will also make it a lot easier to follow along with this video. Okay, now within our main agent, you can see here that we have a system message, okay? So this system message, I'm not going to read through it all, but you can see here that we're using, giving it a role and purpose. So you're an AI agent. Here's your core capabilities. So we're highlighting the different tools right here. So email task agent, we're telling it the agent's purpose, the functions, different important things to note, like, hey, make sure to ask for the recipient email before using the AI agent if the user doesn't give this to you. And one thing I do want to say here is that you could also add a tool to, say, like a CRM or a spreadsheet or an Airtable to actually allow the agent to go in and pull contacts information like emails, names, etc. If you want to have your agent to do that, you would simply just change this prompting, add a tool as well. Now you'll see we have our calendar task agent right here going over all the different capabilities. And then we have our vector store knowledge base right here, Pinecone, the purpose, how to actually use it. So that's highlighting our tools. And then we have our operating principles. So we have our principles right here for tool selection, information retrieval protocol, execution protocol, communication guidelines, quality standards right here. So different standards.
Are you tired of pouring thousands of dollars into appointment setters only to watch leads slip away? Imagine having a team of elite sales agents booking qualified appointments for you around the clock. No more wasted time on training, no more frustration with performance, and no more draining your budget on inconsistent and expensive call centers. Introducing Stride Agents, AI-powered appointment setters that work 24/7, never get tired, and book appointments while you sleep. Trained on thousands of successful conversations, our AI agents outperform human teams at just 1/10 of the cost. Join the ranks of businesses that doubled their appointments and booking rates in just a matter of weeks. Don't get left behind in the AI revolution. Visit strideagents.com now and transform your entire sales process with cutting-edge AI technology. It's time to accelerate your stride with AI agents.
We have time awareness, vector store usage guidelines right here. So querying, information integration, quality control. So pretty in-depth master prompt right here. You can of course go ahead and change this around. And then you'll see for the model right now, we're just going to be using GPT-4o. You could use GPT-4o mini. And then here we have a window buffer right here. We're just grabbing the Telegram message ID for the key right here. And we're giving it a context window of 5 messages. So this will essentially have a little bit of memory for the messages that you're sending to this bot. So let's say you say, hey, book a meeting with Josh. And it says, hey, I'm going to need your email for that. Well, then it will actually, you can just send the email and it's going to still know that it should book a calendar event with Josh with that email. So it's going to remember that. Next, we have the vector store tool right here. So we just have a basic description right here. We have a limit of 4 and we highlight more about how to call this in our master description right here. Then we're connecting to our Pinecone vector store right here. So I'm selecting our Pinecone index. You can enter your Pinecone namespace right here. This is very just simple for testing purposes. I have documents. And then we're using an OpenAI embedding model right here. So I'm just using test embedding 3 small. And then our chat model right here is the same, just GPT-4o or GPT-4o mini. Okay, next we have a calculator tool right here. We have Wikipedia right here. And then we have our email AI agent. So if I go here, we can see our name is email tool. Call this task for any request that requires email. And we're selecting our workflow of email task agent. Next, we have our calendar tool right here. So this is the same thing for any calendar task. And we're calling the calendar task agent. And then once that's all done, we're just sending a message to Telegram. So this is just the response right here. So I'm just going to run a couple tests right here with the agent just so you can see it actually function. All right, so just to show you for testing purposes, I'm going to say, hey, please send an email to josh@executivestride.com and ask him if he's going to bring me some food to our meeting tomorrow at 4 p.m. Also, send him a calendar invite for that time slot, please, immediately. We're going to send this right here. We go to our executions, we should see that this is running. And if it works well, we should see a success in just a second. And boom, now let's take a look at our Telegram. So we can see here, I've sent an email to Josh asking if we will bring food for the meeting tomorrow at 4 p.m. Additionally, I've scheduled the calendar event for the meeting tomorrow with Josh. If you need anything else, feel free to let me know. Now let's load up the email here. So you can see here we got a meeting with Josh on Monday 10th at 4 to 5 p.m. I didn't really specify the end time, so it just put an hour there. And as you can see, we got our email sent right here. Now, if we look in the execution logs right here, we'll see that it used the email tool right here and the calendar tool, and then just sent the message. It didn't use anything like the RAG or anything like that. It was knowledgeable enough to know what tools it needed to use. I'm going to show you how to use the RAG in just a second. Now, before we get into the RAG, I just want to quickly go over the calendar tool and the email task agent tool. So what we're using here is an execute workflow trigger, and then we're going straight into our email tools agent right here. Now you can see here we have our system message right here. I'm not going to go through it right here, but it has key protocols, etc. We're using a chat model right here, so we're just using GPT-4o mini, and then we gave it access to 2 different tools, but you could actually give it access to a lot more. There's a lot of different email actions that you could give it. And here, this is just a get all emails option. So this will be able to check your emails. Okay. And for the variables here, we're just using the from AI variables right here to actually pull the information from our email agent. And then we're using the send email action right here, which is just going to send a email to the recipient that the email agent gets the email address from. And then if there's an error, we're just going to output an error right here so our AI agent knows. And if it's complete, we're just going to output the completion right here. And very similar for the calendar task agent, if we click through here, we can see that we have an in-depth prompt for our calendar task agent. We have a create event with attendee, and then get all calendar events. So if you ask your agent, hey, what's on the calendar for tomorrow, it will be able to tell you that information. Now, just as a side note, some of you guys may recognize this agent. This is actually a new and improved version of the agent that I covered in our Stride AI Agents repo right here, which was in this video course right here on Insane AI Agents. But this one definitely is new and improved and has a lot of cool features that one actually didn't. Now, I'm going to show you the voice method in Telegram in just a second, but before I do, I quickly want to go over the vector database. So if a new file is either created or updated in our Google Drive right here, we're just going to grab that file ID. Then we're going to download that file, and then we're going to extract the text from that file. And then we're just going to insert it into our Pinecone vector store right here using our OpenAI embedding, our default loader data, and a recursive character text splitter with a chunk size of 3000 and a chunk overlap of 200. You could, of course, change these settings. Now, if all this is new to you, or maybe it doesn't make sense, I would definitely recommend checking out my 49-minute in-depth n8n RAG agent course. I also give you guys a free 79-page document going over RAG AI agents, what vector stores are, and breaking it down for you a little bit more in depth in case you are a beginner. Now, here is our test Google Drive location. So I'm actually going to go ahead and upload one of our sales letters right here on a specific product, a specific offer called GoHighLevel. So this is a very specific sales letter around one of our offers that we made. And this is the only place where our agent would actually be able to get some of the information I'm going to ask it. So as you can see, this has been uploaded now. So if we go to our executions right here, we should be able to see that, boom, it has been successfully inserted into our Pinecone vector store. All right, so now I'm going to go on my phone right here and actually ask our RAG agent something specific about GoHighLevel. Hey, please tell me a little bit about GoHighLevel. Break down the whole entire offer, the value proposition, and also give me some unique insights on how I could actually take this to market and make a good profit. As you can see, that voice message has sent. It was 13 seconds. And now if we go to our executions right here, we should see that it is running. And boom, it's already done. As you can see, it went down this route right here. So it transcribed the audio, went through here, and as you can see, it used our Pinecone vector store. Now let's actually take a look and see if it got the correct information. And wow, look at this response that we got right here. This is actually really good and really high quality. We can see the GoHighLevel suite is designed to help businesses optimize their operation using GoHighLevel, focusing on automation and growth. Here's a detailed breakdown of the offer. Core breakdown, features, bonuses, game plan call with Josh, value proposition, marketing strategies for profit, so target audience, emphasis values, so leverage social proof, content marketing, partnerships and collaborations, clear communication. I think you guys get the point. This thing is freaking awesome. and I'm really excited to see you guys actually use it and implement it. But one thing I want to say, guys, is use this as a stepping stone, customize it to your specific use case. I just wanted to give you guys here a very solid foundational agent that you can start using right now to get your feet wet, or even if you have been using AI agents and building different cool things, I'm sure you can get a lot of value from this and from this video. Now, I do want to say one more time, guys, if you're wondering, where the heck do I get this JSON file? Where do I get this AI agent? Like I said, it is going to be for free in the Stride AI Academy. I just want to make that 100% clear, and a link for that will be in the description, and I'll also comment it at the first pinned comment so you guys can join right now. Now, guys, if you got any sort of value from this video, from this free template, I would really appreciate if you like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to stay up to date with the uploads. We upload videos all the time on AI agents, RAG AI agents, n8n, marketing, sales, business roles. So if you like that type of content, then this is the channel for you. I'm really excited because I'm going to be providing you guys with a lot more value like this. I got some even more valuable stuff on the way. I really want to build a good community here of like-minded entrepreneurs, AI automation agency owners, consultants, whatever the case may be. So definitely stay tuned for what's on the way. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. And also too, if you want me to build a specific RAG AI agent or just an AI agent in general and showcase it to you guys, give you guys the free templates, the JSON, then let me know what you want me to build in the comments down below. Also too, guys, if you run a business and you need help implementing AI agents into your business to automate different tasks, automate different processes in your business, then book a call down below at executivestride.com/apply. Or if you're someone that actually wants to sell AI agents to other business owners or entrepreneurs and make 2 to 10K plus, then book a call down below at that link, speak to my team, and we can see if it's a potential fit or not to help you scale your AI agent consultancy in 2025. Other than that, guys, I will see you in the next video. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and of course, guys, accelerate your stride. Take care.